How do you create a new one? What about traveling in this world? Well, there are several ways. You can press the right mouse button. Hold down the right mouse button. To move the mouse. Then what else? Hold down the right mouse button. Then take a look at the WSADW, which is to go forward. S is to the back. A is to the left. D is to the right. And this one of our other games. Very, very similar. If you want to spin them like this. Both move. Rotate right. You can pass it. That's the WSAW. Move with the mouse. Tours in this way. Do you believe in the classmates who play games? It should be completely fine. It's very, very simple. It looks like this. There are two other shortcuts. Just going up and down. You can pass Q. Press and hold the right mouse button, and then pass Q. You can see it going down. Then the one on the keyboard. Go up Q, and one is up and down. Attention! Did I press and hold the right mouse button at this time? Press and hold the right mouse button to go up and down. In addition, there are two shortcuts. You press and hold down the right mouse button. You try pressing the Z key on the keyboard. And C. Can you switch the focal length of the lens? Of course, this is just. And when I let go, it bounces back. It'll bounce back. Hold down the right mouse button and press the C key. Or press C. Press C. Okay, so these are basically tours. Some ways of your world. These shortcuts must be remembered.